Hi, this is an in-car wheelchair accessible ramp customization done by JSdesign Private Limited for easy access of wheelchair in vehicle. This is a hydraulically operated ramp. A person on wheelchair can drive their wheelchair without any help straight into the vehicle. This ramp is remote controlled that has 2 steps. In the first step the ramp will open up to a point on level to the car floor, for easy entry and exit of the wheelchair. In the second step the ramp will lower to the surface of the ground for wheelchair to get on, or off the ramp. The floor of the vehicle has been lowered to provide adequate headspace for the person sitting on the wheelchair. In the final step, the ramp closes and stores itself vertically inside doorway, giving more space inside the vehicle. Even on vehicles with CNG, space inside the car has been designed very ergonomically for other passengers as well. JSdesign has been customizing vehicles as per people's requirements for more than 30 years for people with special needs, keeping in mind all the safety,